Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to ESA Spotlight. Nama aku Malikal Camalia dari ESA, dan hari ini di video kali ini aku bakal ngasih tahu tips dan trik untuk berbicara bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa asing. Nah, biasanya saat kita memulai untuk belajar bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa asing, kita menghadapi berbagai macam masalah nih. Nah, kadang-kadang kita ngerasa kurang percaya diri, terus kurang motivasi, dan bahkan mungkin pada akhirnya kita ngerasa mau nyerah aja gitu. Nah, pada video kali ini aku mau share beberapa tips yang aku dapat dan aku gunakan selama ini dalam belajar bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa asing. The first one is speak, speak, and speak. Basically, the best way to improve our speaking skills is to be used to the language and to speak more often. If you already have friends in another country or you might live overseas, you might already have the experience to communicate better. And if you don't have one, you might practice by talking in front of the mirror. The second way to improve your English speaking skills is to listen and read. Why? Because the more you listen and watch, the better your English becomes. I have one tip for you guys. If you want to use this way in a more fun way, you can listen to music, read the lyrics, and pay attention to every pronunciation. And voila, your English will be improved. The second one is to write when you feel like writing. It's a plus point for you guys who likes to write, because the more you write, the more you remember the sentences. Have you ever heard that books are the window of the world? So, make one and make your own world. The fifth one is learn phrases rather than simple words. Another tip to increase your fluency is to speak a variety of phrases rather than individual words. Instead of automatically saying like, how are you today? Mix it up by choosing other expressions like, what's up man? Hey dude. How you going man? But remember, you have to be careful in using these words because it is informal. That is it for the tips from me, and I hope that my tips will be useful for you guys. And last but not least, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome back to ESA Spotlight. Nah, coba lihat dulu. My name is Malikal Camalia from ESA, and today why? Because the more you hear and watch, the better you become. The second way to improve your English speaking skills is to listen and read. Why? Because the more you listen tip for you guys, if you want to use this way in a more funnier way.
Nggak apa-apa, more funnier lagi.
Why? Because the more you hear and watch, the better.
Salah lu ketawa.
It's a plus point. It's a plus point for you guys who likes